Okay, to begin, I just added a video and audio clip to my timeline. This audio is too quiet, so to raise its volume, first make sure your audio clip is selected on the timeline, and go over to the Audio tab, which will open up the Essential Sound panel. In here, select the type of audio you're working with. I'll set mine as music. Then, near the bottom of the panel, you'll see a clip volume slider that you can use to increase your clip's volume. Alright, that sounds loud enough for me, but if you want to go beyond a 15 dB increase, you'll need to also increase the audio's gain. To do this, first make sure your audio clip is still selected on the timeline, and then tap the G key on your keyboard to bring up the gain dialog box. In here, simply increase the adjust gain by value. I'll do 5 since I already increased the volume before. Okay, now it's even louder. If you're not too picky about audio quality, you could just increase the gain, but you should know that there is a difference between that and volume. The gain affects the loudness of the tone of the input channels, while volume affects the loudness of the output of the channel. If you're new to these concepts, you probably won't be able to tell the difference, but they do exist. Moving on, I'm just going to undo my volume changes to demonstrate how to change the volume of only part of your audio. For this, we're going to select the eraser tool and simply cut out the part of the audio we'd like to change the volume of. Then be sure to select the part of the audio you cut out, and then just drag the volume slider in the Essential Sound panel. This time when we play it back, it'll only be louder for the duration of our cutout clip. The volume change is a bit sudden, so to more gradually fade in your change in volume, we could go over to the Effects panel and type Crossfade into the search box. Then drag Constant Gain onto the cut in your audio to fade it in. You could also add Constant Gain to the other cut as well to fade it back out. Okay, that sounds smoother. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.